So the whole process should take around about 2 minutes. You will hear water being purged from the line, from here. It's normal that you hear water flowing out from the line. Yep, and you can see the progress right here. It's running. So for doing it this way, we don't have to do the manual auto anymore. The only thing we have to do is to put a liter of the water, like so the water that we fill in with 1 liter of water, we just have to put it into this liquid so to flush away all the bacteria and everything at the end of the day. Yeah, at the end of the day. So we just wait for this to finish. We don't really have to do anything. Like once we get to this stage, we can, because the purging and the suction is just cleaning itself. You don't really have to do anything anymore.